everyone, my name is Renuka Hadore. So today we are going to talk about polymorphism. So let's see what is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms in a programming language. It refers to the ability of a single function method or object to operate different ways based on the context and allow to objects of different classes to treated as an object of a common superclasses, making it a eraser to flexible reusable code. There are two types of polymorphism. First one is a compile time polymorphism, second one is a runtime polymorphism. So let's see, first one is a compile time polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism, this is a polymorphism is resolved during the compilations of the program. And then let's see how to it works. It is usually to achieve a throw method overloading, which means having a multiple methods with the same name and but different parameters, like a different number of parameter or a different type of parameter. For example, real time of example, think of a restaurant where you can order meal and by the specifier different types of ingredients, like a vegetarian meal and non-vegetarian meals or a vegan's meal. The restaurant has a multiple way to prepare to meal based on the ingredients you specify. And run next one is a runtime polymorphism. So let's see what is runtime polymorphism. This type of polymorphism is resolved at a runtime, meaning that the program decide which method to execute while it's running. And then let's see how to work. It is usually a chew to throw method, like overriding when a subclass it provide a specify implementation of a method that already to define in the superclass. And example of like a real-time example, for example, this is a electronic device like a remote control that can operate different types like device, like a TV, AC, like a music system, and based on the specific device it's a pair with that moment. When you press the power button, it behave differently depending on the device it is controlling. And why polymorphism is useful? It is a flexible. So polymorphism is allow for a writing flexible code that can work with the object and different types in a uniform way. This mean can write a general function or methods that can work with any subclass of a common, like a superclass. And maintainability, like it may code eraser maintain it extend when you new subclasses, you don't need to change existing code. The new subclasses can simplify override existing method to provide a specific behavior. Unlike a simplifications, it reduces to complexity by allowing to the same method or functions like to operates on a different types of object. And this make code more is readable and easier to understandable. And real life analogy, imagine a company where an employee can be of different types, managers, developers and designers. They all have a common behavior such as a work, but type of employee work is differently, like a manager work by managing terms and the project, and developers works by writing and debugging code. And the next one is like a designer work by creating and designing graphics, and work is the method. And each type of employees has its own way to implementation this method. This similar to polymorphism, where the same method behaves like differently depending on type of object. and all about the polymorphism is a powerful concept in a like a programming language that's allow for the method and operate in a different ways or depending on the object they are acting upon. It comes on two main types of compile time polymorphism is a mature method overloading, and next one is a runtime polymorphism. It is a method overriding polymorphism, each providing a flexibility and simplicity is a writing to maintain the code. And polymorphism, for example, like we can perform one way, we can perform a different ways. That's all about the polymorphism. Thank you for watching this video.